Alam mo ba na merong mas tahimik at mas maliit na palace dito sa Seoul? Welcome to Doksugung Palace, where Korea's past collided with the modern world. Yung palace na to ay mas maliit kaya kaya mo lang libutin in just 1 hour, making it the perfect historical pit stop in your packed Korea itinerary. Meron pala silang changing of the royal guard ceremony kaso hindi lang talaga namin naabutan. The entrance fee is around 1,000 Korean won, but it's free if you wear a hanbok. These buildings was built by King Gojong to signal to the world that Korea was a modern sovereign nation kaya meron siyang neoclassical and western architecture. When East meets West. Kung fan na fan ka ng mga K-drama series, then visiting this palace is really a goosebumps and a very unforgettable experience. I really admired how they preserve such historical place. Alam mo yung pag-touch mo pa lang sa wood, na imagine mo na kung ano yung mga nagmi-meeting dito, saan natutulog, ano yung kanilang ginagamit. Although they repainted this over time, pero sobrang ganda talaga guys. Ang saya talaga sa puso. Marami talagang rooms for different people inside the compound. Yan naman yung kanilang main hall. So ito naman yung mga tulugan guys noong unang panahon. Kaya pala mabilis yung mga chismis noon guys, o papel lang yung andito, nabubutasan pa. Strolling inside the palace is really a must to have in your Korea bucket list kasi sobrang ganda, sobrang historical, at sobrang kakaiba talaga yung spirit na andito guys. Ano kayang espiritu yon? Charot lang. Anyway guys, let's go to this chambers. And if you will observe around the area, maraming grupo ng mga Koreans in where they discuss the history of the palace. May mga estudyante na nag-visit and teachers who explain the entire history. This is my most favorite place in the palace kasi na-imagine ko yung political transactions noon ng king with his advisors, and guys, I tell you, maaamoy mo talaga yung old wood, yung history talaga ng lugar. Ito yung nakikita natin sa K-drama, dito naglalakad yung mga may kasalanan tapos under the judgment of the king. So if you are very busy in your Korea itinerary, this place is a must to visit. Follow me for more Korea videos.